Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Our Home to Yours. Today I am going to talk about or share about the Surya Graha, Surya Dev, how to pray and some of the slokas and about his wife and the children. The Radha Sabdami, the famous festival, or the Surya Jayanti, the birthday of Surya Dev, is going to be on February 19th, 2021. Again, I'm going to put another video for Radha Sabdami. Today, I am going to share how we have to pray to the Surya Graha. So we have to pray to Surya Dev on Sundays. We have to draw a column with rice flour, as I said in the earlier videos, only in the puja room where we won't step on this column. First we have to put a triangle and all three sides, the corners, we have to put the trishul, and on the three sides a small lamp kind of thing, and then in the middle we have to write Hreem. And in all the columns we put for the gods and the Navagraha, we have to put the turmeric and kumkum. So this is the yantra, the Surya yantra. We can hang it in front of the house or in the puja room. And we have to light lamp. If you could get, all the clay lamps are red color, but sometimes they come with some decorations, so we can get red clay lamp. And then always any lamp before we light, we have to put the turmeric kumkum and then keep it on a small copper plate or leaf. Don't put it on the table or floor. That's very, very important, because the lamp we light for the any god, so the god will come in that lamp. So we have to give the respect, and so we have to keep the lamp on the copper plate. For each graha, different color. For Surya graha, it's red. We have to pray with red flower, and then on that day, if you wear clean cloth with any red color in that, it will be great. And we have to offer the red fruits like apple or strawberries. It will be fine. Always for Surya Dev or Surya Graha, red color. And now I will recite some of the slokas and Gayatri mantra for Surya Graha. Om Ashvattvajaya Vidmahi Pasahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Surya Prachodayat. This is Gayatri mantra. On Sundays you can say 108 times. If you don't have time, so you can say at least 11 times. And every day if you do Surya Namaskaram in the morning, Brahma Muhurta time, sometimes the Surya rise is little bit late, so you can do till 8 a.m. So the sloka for Surya Namaskara Dhyanam: Suryam Sundaram Loganatha Mamrudam Vedanta Sharam Sivam ब्रह्ममयं सुरेशममलं लोकैक सिद्धस्वयं इन्द्राद्य नरदीपं सुरगुरं त्रैलोक्य चूडामणिं ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिवस्वरूपे हृदयं वन्दे सदा भास्वरम्. And with this, the 12 names, 12 Namavali of Surya Dev is also gives you good power. Om Midraya Namaha, Om Raviye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Kahaya Namaha, Om Bhushni Namaha, Om Hiranya Harpaya Namaha, Om Marise Namaha, Om Aditya Namaha, Om Savitri Namaha, Om Argaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, Om Aditya Navagraha Devabdiyo Namaha. So every day you can say these two, if not at least Sunday. Sunday is the auspicious day for Surya Dev. Surya Dev goes on the chariot with 7 horses. Other sloka for Surya Graha is Jaba Kusuma Sangasam Kachebeyum Mahadyam Vimardhanam Sarva Pravagdaram Pranado Asmi Divakaram. Another slokam in Tamil. சீலமாய் வாழ சீரருள் புரியும் ஞாலம் புகழும் ஞாயிறே போற்றி சூர்யா போற்றி சுந்தரா போற்றி வீரியா போற்றி வினைகள் களைவாய் போற்றி. Surya's wife name is Saranyu. And the kids' main children are Yama, Shukrivan. And Saranya couldn't bear the heat from the Surya Dev, and she made her like a clone, Chaya, her shadow. And she told Chaya to take care of Surya Graha and the children, and she took a form of horse and she left. Chaya and Surya Dev have children, mainly the Shani Graha. And in Radha Sabdami, the Surya Graha Jayanti, that video I will talk about Surya Dev's parents. Whenever we say mantras, every day we say, or more often we say, the distance between the God and ourselves will be decreasing. And then one day we will get the boon, or whatever we pray for, we will get that, or we will get the moksha. So that's very important. At least say few lines of mantra every day. We have to make it as even the kids growing here, we have to teach them just to say the Gayatri mantra, the easiest and then the smallest mantra for all the gods is the Gayatri mantra. Each and every god have their own Gayatri mantra. Sometimes people think Gayatri mantra means the Gayatri mantra is Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha. That one is for Gayatri Devi. All gods and goddess, they have their own Gayatri mantra. In the beginning of the video, I said for the Surya Graha, Gayatri. Surya Graha is the leader of all the Navagrahas. In Hindu astrology, we say Surya as planet, but as everybody knows, Surya is a star. For all Navagrahas, there is a small Gayatri. Adityaya Sa Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Sa Guru Shukra Shanispa Ragave Keduve Namaha. So we can say this also every day. The Gayatri mantra is very, very small, only 3 lines. We pray to Surya Bhagavan to bless us all. So he is the one who gives energy to everybody. In the horoscope, if we have Surya Dasha, so we have to pray to Surya Dev, the sun god. For each graha, the 9 planets, they have 9 colors and Navadanya, 9 grains. For Surya Dev, the color is red and the Danya is wheat. So we can offer any food made out of wheat and then pray. So we pray to Sun God. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, share and subscribe it. Summer is coming closer. People are asking for the gardening tips. So after I finish the Navagrahas, I am going to upload the videos about the plants, soil, everything. So February 19th is Radha Saptami. Thank you so much, and please check for the slokas the description box. Thank you. Shubha Mangal.